Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and today is day 5 of Cara Brandon and Dearjuliejule's collaboration, 5 Days of Valentine's Day. And today, these are the 2 digitals we'll be working with. You see we've got a library pocket and this card. This, I'm going to call it a frame. Couple of rose ephemera pieces, and then we've got these tags from Cara Brandon. So what I started with was Julie's card, and I simply made a little notebook. This was something I'd punched out from another day. And I just made a little notebook using some of my cardstock and some lined paper and a little bit of rickrack to decorate it. So very simple with a little string closure. And that's really all I did for that. But that'll go nicely into my journal. Then I made a tag, and this is Cara Brandon's tag, and I put some lace down, some rickrack on the topper. I cut out some poppies from one of her collage sheets along with the word poppy, put that on there, stitched around it, and that is tag 1. For tag 2, which is this one, I put down a little bit of doily on the bottom of it that went down to right where this ribbon is. Then I cut a slit in the ribbon, and this heart I cut out from one of Cara's collage sheets and slid that underneath into the little slit that I'd made so that the banner stayed on top of it. And then I took Dearjuliejule's piece from right here, cut that out, and I did cut a little bit of a slit in the hand so that it could rest on top and the flowers rested behind the heart. And then beneath that, I've got a little bit of rickrack just for a little bit of added decoration. So when I was putting this all together, but for the doily, I was having to glue and stick in a specific order to get everything to go on the way I wanted it to. But I think that's kind of a cute tag, and I just used a little bit of scrap lace for the topper on that. Then we've got this tag. This and this is cut out from one of Cara Brandon's tags from an earlier day. And this little ephemera piece from Dearjuliejule from a different day. Just put a little lace under it. Made a little card to go right inside this pocket. Used the rose from today just to make a little dangly topper with a bulb pin stitched around it, and that is what I did for that tag. Then we've got the library pocket, which I disassembled. I got rid of this and just left the main part of the pocket. So on this side, I put a little thumb hole in it, stitched around the outside and the bottom, and put it over the page, and that creates a little pocket. These tags can go right in there. And I did have to make these tags a little narrower so that they would be sure to fit into the pocket. And then on this side, what I did was I used the oval frame and I put down a little piece of black cardstock, and all of this is attached to the back part of the library pocket. Put down a little piece of black cardstock with some lace over it, and then put Dearjuliejulie's pink rose over the top of that, and then placed all of that onto the library pocket. Again, a little thumb hole, and stitched around. I really like the way that came out. And again, one of Cara's tags can go right in there. So those are my makings for day 5. I actually can't show both sides of that at once. And be sure to check out in the description box below are the links to everyone else that I know of participating in this. Be sure, please, to check out their videos as well. I've done a horrible job in stressing that in each video, but be sure to check those out. Be sure to check out Dearjuliejule and Cara Brandon. Their YouTube links are below, their Facebook links are below, and their Etsy shop links are below. And be sure to watch in the next couple of days. I will have a completed journal made from all these items, plus using more of the items from the kit in different places. And I will also be having a neat little project that I did with Cara Brandon's Pretty Florals. And don't forget, today's the 31st, so tomorrow it will be time to start a new Dearjuliejule monthly challenge. So until next time, everyone, please be safe, stay healthy, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.